Hey, what's up guys? This is going to be a really quick video to show you how to use the campaign, target, and portfolio quick sorts on the Labs tab. So this feature is usually used if you want to see a group of campaigns, targets, or portfolios on your bulk sheet. Just quickly, you can essentially save a kind of preset list of any of those, or you can grab them from any of the tools and kind of paste them in. So just going to show you a couple examples here. I've got two portfolios set up for branded and defensive. Keep in mind this is all dummy data, so the actual data may not kind of look correct, but just take my word for it. So here's two portfolio IDs, and let's say I want to see all of the campaign related data on the bulk tab for just those portfolios. It's kind of difficult to search for multiple, well, in this case portfolios, since I don't have that many, it wouldn't be that hard to just clear this and then select the ones I want, but you would only see the campaign level rows if I did that. So the benefit of the portfolio quick sort is I can hit Control-Shift-V, paste in the values, go up to Labs, portfolio quick sort, show on list, hit yes. Like I'm doing this for the show on list, if I did not show on list, it would show me all the portfolio rows except the ones that I pasted in. So that can be powerful too if you're just doing some auditing tasks, or there's other applications as well, but the main usage is going to be to show on list for just a set of portfolios like I just did. And now you can see when I click here, it's just showing me two, and you've got all of the rows associated underneath the campaign level row for those portfolios. So that's how you use the portfolio filter. The campaign level filter you can use in a similar fashion. So if I go back here and let's say I want to adjust maybe the campaign budgets for, I'll grab some campaigns. So if I hit this more details, it expands out the campaign, portfolio, ad group, and match type. But let's say I just want to look at these campaigns here. Go over to the Labs tab and just Control-Shift-V under the campaign quick sort. Similarly to the portfolio, I'm just going to hit show on list, hit yes. All right, so now you see just these campaign names here that I care about, and you could buzz down through, and if you wanted to unfilter the rest of the rows and just show the campaign level row if you want to adjust the budget. All right, and then you could quickly just go down through and adjust those budgets if you needed to, but just another example of how to use that. The target level filter is similar. So what you can do with that is, say you want to see all of the rows in your bulk sheet that is one specific target. This filter is a little bit dynamic, so you can plug in just a keyword in this one, or you can plug in the actual unique identifier, which the unique identifier is going to be from your bid override table column C, or it's going to be column AD in your bulk sheets here. So if I expand all, okay, so it's column AD, that would be the one you could plug in, and that's a unique identifier based on match type, keyword, campaign, ad group, pretty much everything. Where if you plugged in the target, that would show you if you had different match types throughout your bulk sheet, it would give you every row. But to do a quick example here, I'm just going to grab the unique identifier for some specific targets here, and then I'm going to plug those in here and then just hit the target quick sort, show on list, hit yes. All right, so then it just shows me those target level rows. Now, one other quick example of how kind of you can use multiple at the same time is, let's say I've got a list of targets here and they're some of my top performers, and I want to verify that I don't have an upper level like the campaign, a ad group, or product ad paused. I can copy the campaign names over here, go over to the campaign quick sort, hit Control-Shift-V, all right, and then I'm going to go up here back to Labs, campaign quick sort, and you'll see another button down here that just says check kind of the upper levels. Then I'm going to hit yes. And what this is going to do now, it's going to remove the target level rows, but it's going to show me the upper level rows associated with those campaigns, so I can make sure I don't accidentally have one paused, which would in turn pause the actual keywords underneath them. All right, so basically I'm just looking for the word paused in here. You can click once here on the state. You can see I don't have any there, so Just a quick double check. But anyway, hopefully this video illustrates the power of the 3 kind of quick sort features here. I will see you guys on the next video.